Actually speaking, what happens is we have a very comprehensive training actually in the Navy. So comprehensive training means we have the sea attachments. Initially, we do it for about 1 month. Initially, 1 year of a training, hardcore engineering training, familiarization training. Engineering means equipment training we are talking about. As far as Indian Navy is concerned, Indian Navy is, as the technology is concerned, is far ahead of the other two services. And at least in those times, half of the equipment used to come from abroad. 70% of the ships used to come from abroad. And then what is the challenge? Not only one type of technology, you have to absorb all possible technologies coming from all over the world, whether it is from France, whether it is from UK, whether it is from Russia, whether it is from Germany, whether it is from US. And all the countries have got something specific to their technology. Basically, we have very extensive training programs. So it's the ship tenures what we do initially. I continue to do well in the Navy. There also I topped in my academic course, did very, very well. So as a result, I joined one of the best ships of those times, that was the INS Taragiri. And Taragiri was the Leanders. And in Navy, better lot tends to get the better lot in the sense who have done well in their past track record as far as the academics is concerned, or academics, the naval courses are concerned, or otherwise thereafter based on your ACR gradings. So you are tend to push to the better ships so that, those ships are maintained well and things like that. So I was in Taragiri, which had just got commissioned, and the best officers as per track record in the Navy are posted on the new commissioned ships. So I was fortunate to join the best of the ships because that provides you the best of the learning. Equipments are in the best stage, they're in the prime stage, exposed to the best of the technology by best of the crew and best of the people. So I was fortunate to have been groomed with some of the best in the Navy. So it was Taragiri Leander class ship with best of the sensors and a lot of weapon equipment.